back here with another banger, guys. We are back here on this wall. Man, it's been a week off because it's been raining every single day and I can't do nothing in the rain, man. I'm not gonna even do it. I'm very passionate about art, but I can't paint in the rain. I should do that one day though. That's a good idea. We're gonna make it do what it do and it's gonna look nice. So, but yeah, we only got this tree done. So my next objective in this is this face. It's pretty hard to like tell what everything is because it's spray painted or whatever. But guys, I just had to upgrade my utensils, my paintbrushes, because my paintbrushes that I had are too small. They're literally for like the size of a paper canvas or something like that. In this project, I needed bigger paintbrushes. So we upgraded. We got like bigger paintbrushes. We ain't gonna do too much talking. Let's just get into it, guys. All that. Alright guys, we gotta end this right now because it's raining. We gotta get up I can't talk. We gotta get up out of here because as you can see the sky is gray and it's raining and I don't want to be wet and this paint gonna come right back off. So yeah, we're gonna start this when it stops, I think. Alright guys, so it's a new day. So guys, it's a lot of things that have been going on lately. We've been working on this project, of course, but I also have something that I want to share with y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna share this with y'all, and yeah, we're gonna make it to the next video, man. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, all that, and come back for the next episode on this mural we doing, all that. And yeah, we're just gonna get into it. Well, I gotta show you all that.